Sunday, June 19th. Paris, as always, has and will be my happy place. My love and I first went there together 27 years ago, and it's still magical. June 17th, Friday. Our wedding renewal in the morning. Frank and I met at our apart hotel since I'm placed at 5 Italy and went to the shopping center attached to it to buy food and champagne for everyone to enjoy while we got ready. Then we went to my 11 o'clock wash and style hair appointment at Frank Provost. They were so nice to me and did a fantastic job on my hair. Gretchen and Conrad bought a gorgeous bouquet of flowers and a boutonniere for our renewal. The hairstylist saw them when they stopped at the salon to show me the flowers, and she said they were beautiful. I said, "No, I'm the one getting married." They probably thought it was strange for an older woman to be having a wedding ceremony. Then I went back to where Gretchen applied my makeup in Colleen's room, just like she did at my wedding. I wore a simple dress to the Luxembourg Gardens and changed into the ceremony dress. The photographer was late, very nice, and I can't wait to see the photos. It was 97 to 100 degrees that day on our ceremony, but I didn't care. Frank was so romantic and sweet to surprise me with this ceremony in my favorite city in the world. The officiant was a very nice, sweet woman. Frank had her do the ceremony in French, which made it even more special. And best of all, Frank did his own vows to me, so romantic. Katie took gorgeous photographs of us, and Frank has always done a lovely slideshow. Then we were picked up by 2 vintage cars to take a 1-hour tour of Paris. It was so fun and special, as always. Frank's living planning came together perfectly. They dropped us off at the Trocadero, and Gretchen, Katie, and I took a taxi back to the hotel for us to shower and change. I wore a gorgeous black pantsuit that Frank bought for me at Nordstrom's. Frank wore his tux pants and black shirt. He looked gorgeous. Katie took a fantastic photo of us in front of the pyramid at the Louvre. So proud to be his wife. I'm so lucky. Then we took the subway from our hotel to the Louvre and then walked to the boat for our dinner cruise. What a fantastic reception. The food and the wine were delicious. And the dancing, Frank, Katie, Gretchen, and Conrad, was so fun. We saw the Eiffel Tower light up, and it was so magic and romantic. June 19th, Sunday, Father's Day. We are on the flight now to Athens, then Santorini. What a perfect gift for Father's Day. Frank has always yearned to go there. We will arrive in Santorini at 5-ish, will be picked up by the Blue Dolphin Hotel apartments and change, and head to the wedding show dinner party. Oh my God, moment. A woman on the airplane just walked up to us and said she saw us renewing our wedding vows at Luxembourg Gardens. She said she saw a beautiful woman in blue exchanging her vows. I told her she made my day. What a small world. I thanked her for attending our ceremony. Frank was watching a slideshow of the vow ceremony, and the lady was standing behind him waiting for the restroom. She saw Eileen and said in French, and later turned out to have perfect English,